Good day everyone. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn search a particular record using SQL statement in PHPMyAdmin. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. Everything that we use PHPMyAdmin, make sure that the SAM control panel is running your Apache web server and MySQL. The next step that we will do is to go to our browser. So I have already here the PHPMyAdmin, and then I selected demo. Now here we have here three records. The database is demo, the table is user, and then we have here three records. The ID, name, and age are fields. My ID is 1, my age is 41, name Jake Pomperada, and 2, Regionally Pomperada 48, and 4, Anatan 35. Let's say for example we want to search the record of myself using the ID. In PHPMyAdmin, we can simply go to SQL to issue a command. Okay, so here we can simply type select asterisk, meaning all the fields from user where ID equals 1. Okay, select means we select a particular fields or all the fields. The asterisk means all the fields from. Where do we want to pull the record? User is the table, where condition ID is the field, and then what the value of the ID is 1. In my case, my ID is 1. Click go. See, it displays my record Jake Pomperada 41. My ID is 1. Another example, we will base to the age. Let's say the age of my wife, asterisk where user asterisk from user where age equals 48. Select asterisk from user where age equals 48. Let us click go. See, we have a record of ID 2, Regionally Pomperada, my wife, age 48. So here, let us browse our record. So we have also name of a person, Anatan, age 35. So we can issue a command here. It is case sensitive in MySQL to search a particular name. This will be the third example. Select asterisk from user where name equals single quotation Anatan. Okay, select asterisk meaning all the fields from user where the name of the person is Anatan. Let's click the go button. Okay, here it displays the record ID for name Anatan equals 35 years old. So I have already demonstrated how to search a particular record of the user based on ID, name, and age of the person using SQL statement. One tip that I would like to give you guys is that SQL is case sensitive in terms of value. Let's say for example here, the name of Anatan, capital A, small letter NNA space TAN. If we don't follow the format of the record, you cannot see, no. Let's say for example here, select asterisk from user where name equals single quotation. I will deliberately make it small letter Anna space tan capital TAN T and small letter AN. Take a closer look. It cannot be found this particular record because of this letter, small letter A, in the first letter of the name Anatan. Click the go button. Okay, but still it will accept, no, because of here the tan. But normally this is already being corrected. But before, if the query, if we issue before, it will not select asterisk from user where name equals Anatan, and then we click the go button. But still it will gives. Before it will not, no. But I'm glad it is already been fixed, the issue before. This is the end of our video tutorial on how to search a particular record using SQL statement in MySQL using PHPMyAdmin. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.